Hey everyone, I just want to make a quick video to show you what you should do to prepare in case you know of a storm or some event that's going to knock your power out, your connection to the internet, or the connection potentially of our data center to the internet. So what I suggest, one of the first things I suggest you do is print out the schedule for the day, which would give you all the patient's name, the appointment types. I'll show you how to do that now. So you want to go to Reports, Scheduling, Appointment Detail. For this, you want to first make sure on the bottom two things you select the correct date. In this case, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to choose the 26th of October 2012. Okay, that's going to give me what you see above. Then you want to make sure you select the correct appointment. Then you want to make sure you select the correct report detail. The detail meaning what's going to be on the report, what information. So some cases, some practices are just going to want to know the patient, the appointment time, and their phone number. The different details give you different information. So for example, we're looking at detail 1, but if I select detail 4, you see it has a little bit different information. So just search through those and pick the one that you want, you think the best matches what you're looking for. And of course, you can always print more than one. That might give you different levels of detail. So again, first pick the correct date you want, then the correct appointment detail. You can also pick which provider you want, if you want it separated out per provider, or if you want all providers in the practice on the same report. If you want to sort the report, let's say you have a bunch of different providers like we do here, just by clicking on the top of any column, you can sort. Another way to create this report for one provider is you can filter by a provider and then print each one separately. So there's a variety of different ways to do it. Once you have selected the report you want, and again, you can have multiple reports, click the little print icon in the bottom left corner. That will give you this screen. And in my computer, this case, it brings up this image, and I hit print, and that prints it out for me. Okay, the next thing I suggest you do is for the patients that are actually on the schedule, what I suggest you do is actually print their previous SOAP note. If you have the time to do that, I would go into the patient account, go to MR2 like I have here, and print the last note for the last visit the patient was in for. This way the doctor can look at it if they need to while they're with the patient. In this case, there's a visit on the 27th. You can see it's highlighted. Whichever one I select is highlighted. If you want to select multiple visits to have the provider have more than one visit to show, you first click the first one and the last one while holding shift. So if you want to just click print one, select one. If you want to print more than one, select all of them. After that, you hit generate narrative. Again, select print. Gives you a little print image and hit print. So I would do that for all the patients on the schedule for the day. And then lastly, what I suggest you do is make sure you have a sign-in sheet, separate paper sign-in sheet, since the electronic sign-in will not be available. You will have on record somewhere the patients that were actually at the office and signed in. Make sure they sign it, and there's clearly the date on the sign-in sheet.